In this video, we'll demonstrate how to reduce the brightness level beyond the limit on iPhone 15. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Dimming the iPhone 15 screen more than usual can be useful in the dark to make it easier on your eyes and save battery when a lower brightness is enough. Begin by locating and opening your device's Settings app. This is typically represented by a gear icon and can be found on your home screen or app drawer. Within the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Accessibility option. Tap on it to access the accessibility settings. Continue scrolling down until you reach the bottom of the menu. Look for the option labeled Reduce White Point. Toggle the Reduce White Point switch to the On position. Upon activation, a small window will appear, allowing you to customize the degree of white point reduction. As you increase the percentage, the brightness will progressively decrease beyond the standard limit. This feature is particularly useful for users who find even the lowest brightness setting too bright, providing additional flexibility in tailoring the device's display to individual preferences. Experiment with the percentage values to find the brightness level that suits you best. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily initiate the brightness adjustment process and personalize your device's display to enhance your overall user experience. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.